Hello everyone. Today is Friday, May 14. I am here at the laundromat and I just wanted to share it to you guys. I'm here to dry my clothes. So this is how you do it. You're gonna need a quarter. So it says 50 cents, so you're gonna need 2 quarters. And if you don't have any quarters, they have a machine that will change it to quarters, and that will take 8 minutes to one cycle, and that was 50 cents. And what happened this morning is I was doing my laundry and I'm about to put it in the dryer, and our dryer wasn't working, so I decided to bring it here. So this is pretty big one, and it's clean. It's pretty clean. It's not crowded right now because it's early in the morning. So it took me 2 cycles, so I spent $1 to dry all my clothes. And they also have this folding station where you can fold your clothes after drying. And this is pretty much it. Just wanted to share it to you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.